Ready to ditch the chaos of scattered leads and finally get a handle on your real estate business? Then you're in the right place. This is your express lane to mastering Follow Up Boss, the CRM that's about to become your new best friend. First things first, logging in. Use the credentials provided during your Follow Up Boss sign up. If you're starting a free trial, be sure to explore the different plan options to see what best fits your business needs. Once you're in, you'll land on the people screen. This is your central hub for all your leads and contacts. Notice the search bar at the top, perfect for quickly finding someone specific. Let's add a new lead. Click the big plus button. You'll enter their name, email, phone number, and any other relevant details. You can also assign them a stage, like new lead or active client. This is super important for organization. Now, take a look at your dashboard. This is where you get a bird's eye view of your business. See your leads, deals, and activities at a glance. Use these insights to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. To maximize efficiency, connect Follow Up Boss with your other tools, like your email provider, website, and favorite lead generation platforms. Check out the integration settings under administration to link everything up. And don't forget the Follow Up Boss mobile app. Manage your leads on the go, respond to inquiries instantly, and never miss an opportunity. Available on both iOS and Android.